Now, before this recipe begins, I have to warn you, get ready to make this recipe over and over because it's that delicious. Today we're making a barbecue chicken pizza, absolutely delicious. Let's jump right into it. All right, guys, to begin, I already started removing the fat from my chicken. I'm using 5 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use breast because the thighs are juicier. I'm using chicken thighs. So I'm going to remove some of the fat. Once you're done, you're going to cut them into bite-sized pieces, just like this. And I like to make them a little bit small, not too chunky, okay? This is the perfect meal for the kids, especially, you know, they love pizza. They love everything that is sweet. I'm gonna use a nice, delicious barbecue sauce for this recipe. And just cut them. Now I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil, not too much. Ooh, rub it in just like this. And now we're going to season it just like this. Now I do have a little bit of Italian seasoning in here as well. Give it a mix. The chicken is going to come out so flavorful. Don't have to overdo it. And that is it. It's time to pan-sear our chicken. Now it's time to pan-sear my chicken. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil to my medium high heat skillet. Then I'm going to add in the chicken. Add your chicken in. We're going to cook the chicken for about I'll say about 6 to 8 minutes. So 4 minutes per side until they're nice and cooked. And we'll flip them over. And once they're done, we'll remove it. All right, let's flip the chicken over. It's looking good, as you guys can see, beautiful. And it smells amazing. This is going to be so good. Especially now the kids are out of school. I think it's the perfect lunch or dinner recipe for the kids or for the family. I'm gonna let it go for another 4 minutes and we'll remove it. The chicken is nice and cooked. As you can see, it is beautiful. I'm going to remove it, set it aside for now while I work on my pizza dough. Okay? I'm going to use a pre-made pizza dough. I got this from Publix. It was like $3.50, so very affordable, especially now the kids are home, they're eating a lot. All you have to do with this dough is pretty much roll it out and then add your sauce. I'm going to just do it by hand. I don't want to roll it out and just remove the air from it. All I'm doing is just expanding it with my hand. The longer you stretch it, the larger it'll get, as you can see. I'm going to add it to my pizza pan. I added some flour on there, that way it doesn't stick. And you add it on there like this, and you pretty much spread it out until you fill up the pizza pan. In Publix sell already pre-rolled pizza dough as well. If you don't feel like doing this, you can buy it pre-rolled. You can just place it and that's it. You don't have to go through all this. But when you do it yourself, it'll come out more fluffy and, you know, because once they roll it for you, the air is not in the dough, so it's not as airy and fluffy and bubbly. I have my pizza nice and ready. I'm about to add the sauce. As you can see, a beautiful small pizza. Okay, let's add the sauce. First thing first is the sauce. Add as much sauce as you like. And we're going to spread it out just like this. I love using this barbecue sauce. It's smoky, it's sweet. Got a little tanginess to it too. Now I'm going in with some mozzarella cheese. Beautiful. Make it nice and cheesy. Now, once you're done, you're going in with your chicken. Chicken is nice and flavorful. Going to add that on top. Just like this. That's a lot of chicken. Going to add all of it, loaded chicken. Loaded barbecue chicken pizza. Next, I'm going in with some onion. I'm using red onion. They're nice and sweet. Perfect with barbecue sauce. It complements the sauce so well. Not too much, okay? I should have cut them smaller, but that's fine. Something like this. I'm adding a little bit more cheese on top. Not so much, just to cover it lightly so everything can stick together. And that's pretty much it. I have the oven already preheating on 400 degrees. I'm going to bake it for about 18 to 20 minutes. All right, guys, the pizza is finally done in about 22 minutes. Now, I have some butter, melted butter. I added some dry parsley and garlic powder in there. I'm just gonna tap that on the edge of the pizza, make it nice and garlicky. Okay, I even added a real garlic in there because I wanted that garlicky flavor. And the pizza is ready to be served. Look how beautiful. All right, guys, let's slice this pizza. Oh my God, it looks so good. Slice it. Oof. It smells so good, y'all. So delicious. Let's not waste no time. Let's give this pizza a try. This right here, it's sweet, it's smoky, flavorful. The dough is fluffy, it's garlicky. The kids will devour this. Absolutely delicious, simple, less money, fresher at home. Anywho, be sure you hit that thumbs up button if you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next delicious recipe. Bye, guys.